What I'll be speaking about is the short implants, the narrow implants, and the cantilevers. And I think it fits very well. We had some discussion, Bilal Noas and myself, how this fits together in a given clinical situation. Here's a clinical case treated 2004 in our department by a postgraduate student. At that time, it was Daniel Thoma. When we look at how successful this treatment is, let's go to systematic reviews. And we see that survival rate, 5 and 10-year data of implants is 97, 95% at 10 years. When we go to the reconstruction, and here we are at single crowns, we are at 96 and about 90%. When we then go to fixed dental prosthesis, again, 5 and 10-year data of implant survival, 96, 93. And then the fixed dental prosthesis on top, similar type of survival rates. But we see that it's a successful type of procedure, but we don't have 100% success. And Stephen Chen very elegantly talked about complications, how to prevent them and how to deal with them. So coming back to this case, it's a valid treatment concept, and we know we can successfully conduct this to the benefit of our patients. However, there are also some areas, some shortcomings, improvements that we'd like to realize over time. One of them is that there's pretty high morbidity. You see that we have sinus floor elevations in the maxilla on either side, and we also had some long implants in the mandible with a certain risk. We have a long treatment time because we need the healing. We have to await healing of the regenerated tissues, just as we heard from the previous speaker, and this usually also increases our costs.